Hi guys, so thanks to Luxear for sending me this portable blender for free. We're going to be trying it out here. We did the unboxing, got this thing all charged up, and now we're going to be running it. So this has a nice like BPA free plastic container. It's been washed already. It has a little safety on here so it's not going to run the blade. Hit the button. It has a little red light that comes on if you try to do that. Here's a little charge port right here, charged with a micro USB and USB. So we're gonna make a little shake here. And what I got here, I have some apple slices, and some orange slices. So I'm putting those in there. Let's see. So it says to dice these up a little bit, so I did. And don't want to overflow. I guess I should have got a napkin here. Can't open with one hand. All right, we have some protein powder here. And this is good stuff here. A little bit of protein powder. I'm gonna throw some milk in here too. Dun, 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 dun. All right, and then, I think I'm not supposed to use frozen stuff in this one. I do have some frozen berries though. I think it does. The instructions don't say to use frozen berries, so maybe I should. Should I? No, I probably shouldn't. Okay, so anyways, maybe add a little bit more apples and oranges in there. Okay, so that's looking good there. I'm gonna pause real quick, wipe off my hands. Okay guys, here's the moment of truth. I'm gonna go ahead and put this lid on, make it sure it's twisted on securely. It's got some nice silicone grips here to hold. It's got a nice little grip there as well. Okay, to start it up, we're just going to double tap the button twice, and then hold our thing at a 45-degree angle. Shake it around a little bit. This is going to go for 40 seconds, and then it stops by itself. So you got, looks like it's getting nice and frothy there. Nice and mixed up. So this goes, like I said, it shuts off automatically after 40 seconds. Seems like it's got plenty of power and working pretty good so far. I'm really tempted to put some frozen stuff in here, but not sure if I should or not. So there's the 40 seconds and it shuts off, and looks like everything's nicely blended. Where did I put that straw? So it came with a straw, this silicone straw here, and it it unfolds, which I hadn't seen before, so I thought it was some kind of sealant when I did the unboxing, but it's a straw. So I'm gonna try, since I have a helmet on, it makes it easier to drink with a straw. So I'm gonna take off this top here. Dun, 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 dun. Just like that. Okay, set it down, and let's give this a shot here. Looks pretty good. See if I can't That's yummy. Oh yeah. That is quite tasty, actually. Did a good job of chopping those up. You know what? I'm gonna put some frozen berries in there. This thing seems pretty burly, so I'm just gonna put some like frozen blueberries in there and stuff like that, real quick, and then we'll fire it up and see how well it does. This is actually like frozen bananas and stuff. I'm just gonna try to get the blueberries because those frozen bananas are like chunks of ice. So, oh, we got a banana in there too. Obviously, I'm gonna have to wash my hands again here. But I like blueberries and stuff. So sometimes if I have the frozen ones, I'll leave them in the water for a little bit, until they get, you know, it's actually going to be kind of a test for this thing. All right, 1 second. Okay, let's check it out. I added the blueberries and stuff and a little bit of hot water in there. Gonna let it sit for a little bit and see how it handles it. There is one of those other berries in there, so all right. I mean the bananas, sorry. Here we go. So when you tighten it on, the flashing light will go off. That means it's on there secure enough. So I'm going to go ahead and just double tap. That starts it. And then try to turn it upside down here. It's going to go for 40 seconds. Seems like it's handling it okay. This one seems pretty burly, actually. I think it doesn't recommend those frozen ones, but I'm going to do it just as a test to see if it handles it or not, and it looks like it's doing pretty good. And this is looking delicious. Nice and cold. Seems like it didn't have any problems. Let's see if I can't suck that up with the straw here. All right, so also this is kind of nice. It's got this design so when the juices and stuff don't run all over when you take the top off. So that's kind of cool. Where's my straw at? There we are. All right, let's see how it is. That is really good. And you know what? It had that frozen banana in there and the frozen blueberries, and it handled it. This is nice and smooth, and they're really good. So pretty cool. If you go to the gym or whatever and you want your shake right there, and some of those protein things, if you get the ones with the little ball and you shake them up or whatever, the glasses, you might not get all your protein, still have chunks of powder in there and stuff like that. So this little handy blender is a good little, seems like a good little deal. Pretty handy. You can even cut up the frozen stuff. Like I said, you can grab this from Amazon for about $27. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check it out. And thanks for watching. Everyone have a great day.